If you are in your 30s, 40s, or even above, and you are still struggling to make ends meet, listen, it is not your fault. The system is designed to keep you broke, drowning in debt, and live and continue to run a rat race. But the truth is this: you can start even right now and still build wealth. The rich play a different set of rules. And today, I am going to show you exactly how to escape the circle and secure your financial future. I know what you are thinking. I have worked for years, but my bank account still looks empty. Expenses are rising, bills are piling up. I mean, I feel like I'm stuck in a survival mode. Sounds like you? If yes, then you need to hear this. You are not stuck. You just need to shift your mindset and follow a system that actually works. No fluff, no get rich quick nonsense, just real practical steps anyone can follow. If you are serious about turning your finances around, then you need to stay with me till the end of this video, because this could be that one video that will change everything for you. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Juliet, and here we broke down money secrets that the rich don't want you to know, give you practical strategies so you can escape the circle of being broke and build real wealth. Let's get into it. Step number 1, stop using debt. It's keeping you poor. The biggest reason you feel broke is not because you don't make enough money, it's because of debt, high interest loan, credit cards, buy now, pay later. All these things are traps designed to keep you struggling forever. Avoid them and do this. Stop borrowing for things that don't make you money. If you are already in debt, pay off high interest debt fast using snowball or avalanche method. This method targets your psychology and your behavior to get you out of debt or to make you debt free. If you cannot afford it in cash, then you can afford it. Leave it. Debt makes the rich richer and keeps the poor struggling. Get out of debt now. Step number 2, use budget. This is simply you telling your money where to go. Most people don't have money problem. They have spending problem. If you don't control your money will control you. It's as simple as that. Use 50, 30, 20 rules of budgeting, or you can use zero budgeting or even envelope method. I will leave a link of a video I made on budgeting like a pro. I will drop the link in the description. Go watch that video. I simplified the budgeting there, even if you are just a beginner. It's very simple to use, very simple to understand. Start using budgeting. Track every kobo, every naira, every dollar that you spend. Once you are able to see where your money is going, you will be able to find areas to cut back and save more. Step number 3, build a financial parachute, an emergency fund, a safety net. This life is unpredictable. If you lose your job today, do you have money to survive for the next 3 to 6 months? If your answer to this question is no, then you are just one emergency away from financial disaster. This is what to do. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of your total expenses in a high yield savings account, not under your bed. Save up. Start small and gradually accumulate it. This fund will save you from borrowing in the case of emergencies tomorrow. That is what we call power. Step number 4, invest for your future. Make your money work for you. Savings alone will not make you rich. You must invest. Now, this is it. The first step is you stop using debt. Then you come to the second one, paying off the debt that you are into. And the third one, you build an emergency fund that will save you in case of emergency. And this fourth one, you now start investing. These are stages. You start investing. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Now, you can start with these smart investments. Stock market, you can go for index fund, SP 500, ETF. You can go for real estate, rental properties, land banking. You can even invest in cryptocurrencies. No, this one is high risk, high return. You can go for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. They have long term bets. You can also start a side hustle just to generate extra cash flow. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small and start today. I mean, start now. As soon as you finish watching this video, get started. Step number 5, save for your kids. Break the generational poverty cycle. The truth is that most of us grew up in homes where money was always a struggle. And if you don't want your kids to go through the same experience, you need to start planning now. Remember, as they are growing, so is their needs. How do you save up for them? Open a high yield savings account for them and start saving up. You can also invest in educational fund for them or trust fund. Again, teach them about money early so that they don't make the same mistake that you made. Remember, building wealth is not just about accumulating riches or achieving financial freedom. It is about creating a better future for those who come after you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, click the notification bell, share this video to your friends and families, to any platform that you belong. A lot of people out there need this information. Till I come your way next time, thank you for your time.